Filmmaking is just pointing a camera at stuff, right? It's a little more complicated than that. Filmmaking is typically broken down into 3 sections: pre-production, production, and post-production. Pre-production starts with you coming up with a concept to develop. You'll do your outlines, your character work, and you'll flesh out as many story arcs as you can. When you're comfortable with saying that your script is ready, you'll build your storyboard and your lookbook so you can lay out the visual style of your film. If you're looking for funding, now's the time to get started on that. If you're self-funding, start building your crew. Start with a producer, a cinematographer, and a production designer so you can iron out the vision and work on a production schedule. Location scouting and casting should come soon after that. 1, because it can be a very long process, and 2, because once you have your cast and location set, it'll help your department heads figure out what other physical elements are needed for the film. Once you cast, you'll go into rehearsals while your department heads fill out their crew. As you get closer to production, you'll have more and more production meetings to make sure that all questions are answered and that all timelines are on track. A week or 2 before production starts, you'll do a tech scout, which is when you go to every location you have with all of your department heads so that they can see them for the first time and raise any concerns to be fixed so that they don't become a problem on set. A day or 2 before production starts is when you'll pick up any rented gear. Try to avoid picking up and filming on the same day if you can, because pickups almost always run late. Then production starts, where you run on pure adrenaline until you wrap. After that, you'll jump into post-production, where you work on edit after edit after edit until you're happy with the story. This is when you decide if you have to do any reshoots or pickups, which is when you have to add a scene to help bridge the story together. Once you have a final cut, you'll move on to distribution. If you got backed by a production company early on, they might help you with this step. If you're independent, and depending on your goals for the film, you can share it online, or you can enter it into festivals or contests with the hopes of attracting buyers. Let me know what else you'd like to learn about. My name is Natalie Chau, and leave a comment if you learned something new.